For us, innovation means to be curious, to face new challenges, to open new roads that make us enhance performance and sustainability.
Sustainability is our pact with future generations. It's a commitment that connects all of us, that allows us to create value for the future of the whole ecosystem.
In developing the Revuelto monofuselage, for example, we have reached the highest level in terms of composite technology, creating a carbon fiber masterpiece with 10% of weight reduction and 25% of increased torsional stiffness. Our commitment extends to composite material research, exploring recycled carbon fiber application, material reuse, natural fibers, and also bioresins.
Our strategic plan, Direzione Cortauri, is a holistic approach in the path towards sustainability through the electrification of future models, the ongoing decarbonization of the Sant'Agata Bolognese site, and the overall value chain. Together, we drive the change while connecting the dots.
Our monocoque design pioneers a full carbon fiber front structure in forged composite, developed entirely by Lamborghini. It integrates components seamlessly, prioritizing sustainability by reducing energy consumption and waste.
As part of our commitment, last year we measured the environmental impact of our overall value chain in terms of CO2 emissions per car, and we now set a target of 40% reduction by 2030. This is just the starting point of our journey. By this year, we will transition all models to hybrid drivetrains to reduce the fleet CO2 emission by 50% already in 2025.
We set the trends.
Innovation is our DNA.